Welcome to ESP32 learning series, and today in this video I am going to demonstrate how to interface OLED with ESP32. So let's go ahead and set up the connection. So you can take a breadboard and in a do the way I am doing. Okay. So I have you know connected the ground to ground on ESP32 and 3.3 volt to VDD. Maybe on your OLED it would be VCC. Okay, it's the same. Now I'm going to connect SCK and SDA. Those will be connected to uh, D21 and D22. Right? SDA will be connected to D21 and SCK will be connected to D22. So that is it. The connection is ready and the connection is done, and it's time to connect the USB cable and then upload the code. So choosing right cable is very important. To get the code, visit this URL. The link is in description, and on this blog you will see details to connect the wire, and you will see the name of libraries which you need to install to, for this project. And then you will see code also, and down below you will see explanation of the code and notes, like let's say in case on your machine the code does not work, check the error and see if the address of your OLED is device is not the same what I had, right? So that's something you need to check. So let's go ahead and copy the code from here. Make sure you have copied all the code, right, from top to bottom, otherwise it will fail, right? So copy the code from here and go to Arduino IDE. As soon as you open IDE, you will see a blank code. Remove that and paste this code. Like I said, I need to install this library, so copy the name from here, uh, and then click on tools and click on manage libraries here and paste the name here or type the name here. Okay, let me search again. Tools, manage libraries. Yeah, and here you see the name of library. It's already been installed on my machine. Okay, so I'm not going to install again. So now let's find the another one. This is also installed, but I will demonstrate how you can do it. So again, search it, and on top you see the name here. Okay, so these are installed on my machine. If it is not installed on your machine, go ahead and install it. Okay, now it's time to upload the code. One more thing, you need to make sure the baud rate of your serial monitor should be 115200, and this is serial monitor. When you click on that, it will appear like this, and on right side, if you click on the drop down, you will see a list of the baud rates. So you need to choose the right one. Close it. Okay, compilation has been done and the code is getting uploaded. the code has been uploaded successfully. Now it's time to see the result.